Students, our sixth chapter is neighborhood. Houses close to each other make a neighborhood. People living in a neighborhood need some services like school, hospital, market, etc. These places provide us with important facilities. Let us study about some of these places. First of all, we have to discuss about post office. We post letters in the letter box. The postman collects the letters from the letter box and takes them to the post office. At the post office, letters are stored out and sent to different places. These post office provides us with other services also. We can buy stamps, postcards, inland letter, etc. from the post office. But nowadays, the value of letter, envelope, postcard is less due to invention of mobile phone. Second one is school. There is one or more than one school in most of the location. Children of these localities go to study there. Children studying there spend less time in traveling to school. That is why people like to send their children in the neighborhood school. Now you have to know the name of school in which you study. The name of our school is DAV Public School Gumla. Now you have also know what is the name of principal of your school, how many classrooms in your school, how many teachers in your school, how many miss and madam in your school, is there playground in your school or not, how many buses in your school. Third one famous places in your locality. Third one place in your locality is bank. People keep their money in the bank. They take out the money when they need it. These days, ATM is the fastest method to withdraw money. The full form of ATM is automatic teller machine. People also keep their precious things in the bank lockers. Fourth one famous place in your locality is hospital. A hospital is a must in every neighborhood. We go to the hospital when we are sick. There are doctors and nurses in the hospital. The doctors examine the patients and give medicines. The nurses look after the patients. Now, there is a question, when we went to hospital, what I see there? Write the name of 5 things which you see in the hospital. Number 1, computer. Number 2, wheelchair. Number 3, X-ray machine. Number 4, stethoscope. Number 5, patient's bed. Fifth important place in our locality is police station. The police protects us from thieves and robbers. They help us when we are in trouble. They work day and night for our safety. The traffic police controls the traffic on the road. Sixth and last famous place in our locality is market. Every neighborhood has a market. A market has different shops. We can buy fruits, vegetables, books, grocery, etc. from the market. We buy different things from different shops. Now we will discuss about some question answer and fill in the blanks.